Hi there, so just a quick video showing my results after only a small amount of time using OLSP. I'm now at just over $100, and it's not bad really considering I haven't really done very much at all with this. A lot of the commissions have come in from just commenting on the Facebook posts that they give you. You know, the 25 cents has been adding up and adding up here, and I've made some sales as well of the mega link at times, but generally, you know, a lot of these are Facebook comments I'm getting paid for here. So it's not bad, you know. I mean, it's not something I really do a lot with, but it just slowly accumulates. And in fact, if I come down here to Comment Dominator Pro, this is the tool that you use to go and comment on the Facebook post that they give you. If I come in here, I can see part of those commissions are here. So I've earned $32.75 just from commenting on their Facebook posts, and that all accumulates. I've made 140 comments here as well, so we'll look down below if there's any new comments. So there's no new comments for me to comment on today. If I click on that, you can see all the comments that I have made, and I've got paid for, and there's some pending in there as well. If I go back, you can see it's commission assigned. So if you are struggling with affiliate marketing or making any kind of commissions online, this is something I would recommend. I've left the link to join below, and yeah, jump on board.